Krishna Karnamrita we can do in Kartik. Or at least someday when we have some adhikar to discuss such a book. Or at least we could, if someone else did discuss it, we could read their commentaries. But either book we have no adhikar to discuss, but fools rush in where angels dare not. But in the attempt not to dive into a very deep and confidential scripture, but actually our attempt is innocent. Our attempt is simply to please Krishna and to make him happy. And we're not very expert at that or very competent at that. But we know that he loves this book, Radharasa Sudhanidhi, and he loves Radharani more than anything. So that's our idea. Srimad Bhagavatam is considered the direct incarnation of Bhagavan Sri Krishna. And Radharasa Sudhanidhi is accepted as the direct incarnation of Sri Radha. Radharasa Sudhanidhi ki jai. Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad ki jai. Radharasa Sudhanidhi is a desire-fulfilling tree, Kalpavriksha, capable of giving one the highest gifts. In Bhajan Rahasya, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, which we discuss in Kartik, Bhajan Rahasya, he quotes 7 shlokas to prove the supremacy of Radha Dasyam. Radha Dasyam is a term which means the eternal loving service of Sri Radha's divine lotus feet. Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur, he wrote, by reading Radharasa Sudhanidhi, one experiences a transcendental happiness